Hello everyone, good day. In today's video, I will show you a not a I will show you two PowerToys tools which you can find under windowing and layouts. First of all, first one is always on top. You can see if you go to under Windows windowing and layouts, you can find two always on top and crop and lock. Okay, so first of all, always on top, uh, what it will do, very simple and basic functionality. It will select an application. When you select an application or window, it will make it always on top. Okay, uh, anyhow, okay, first of all you have to check if the always enable always on top is enabled or not. If off, just turn it on. Now it's activated. You can see the activation shortcut is Windows Control T. Okay, so let's say I have an application which is N-key flashcards. So this is the application, and you can see my activation shortcut for always on top is Windows Control and T. Okay, so this application is selected right now. Okay, first of all, what I will do, what was the shortcut? I forgot. Windows Control T. Okay, so if I press Windows Control T, you can see now this is on top. If you do anything else, it will not affect in this window. It will always be on top. Okay, before everything, just if I click anything here, do anything here, it will always be on top. Okay, so another some configuration is, you can see the border. Just bring it here. So you can see you can change some behavior also, like if you want to show a border around which one is always on top. You can see mine was is a little bit of border around the window. You can turn it on or off. Okay, and you can define the color mode, custom color of the border. You can make the opacity of the border less or more, and you can define the thickness of the border also. Okay, and this, I think this can be sometimes this can be helpful for you. Okay, so another one is crop and lock. This is an interesting feature. Okay, let's try with this app again and keep flashcard. Okay, you can see the first of all you have to check if enable crop and lock is enabled or not. After that, you see Windows Control Shift T. There are two shortcuts. Which one is thumbnail shortcut? Windows Control Shift T. First, let's show you this one. I will click on Windows Control Shift T. Now I will choose the area. You can see what will happen next. Created a clone. Let's say you have multiple monitors, you want to show something to someone else without any activity, like you can show that just this. Now this is the parent and this is the cropped version. Okay, if I do something here, it will create effect here, but it is not actionable. Okay, this is the you can see if I do anything, it takes effects here. Okay, you can find many other use cases as per your need. Okay, so this is the first version of this feature, crop and lock. This is called thumbnail shortcut. Another one is reparent shortcut. Okay, what it will do, let's open this application again, and shortcut is Windows Control Shift R. So now it will create another cropped version of my main application, but it will hide all the other things. Okay, just the selected area. Like if I am doing this one somehow, okay, if I am clicking this one, it will do the thing without affecting the others, okay, other areas of that application. Just a selected version will be appeared here, okay. So I think there are some use cases you find in your life which may be helped by these two application of PowerToys, always on top and crop and lock, okay. That's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.